Hello, boys and girls. As you can see, it is so sunny today, but we are gonna have some fun because we are making a snowstorm in a jar. I know, crazy. Snowstorms are supposed to be happening outside, but we're gonna bring the outside inside. So, what do you need? You need some baby oil. I don't have baby oil though, so I am using some melted coconut oil. You need warm water. You need Alka-Seltzer tabs. A jar. You don't need a dog that just jumped up. You need some white paint and some glitter. Yeah, love it. Oh my, we have a friendly face who is gonna join us today. Thank you so much. So in our jar, we are going to pour our baby oil 3/4 of the way full. Okay, that is a little more probably. Perfect. Woo, oily. Okay, now that we have our baby oil, we are going to set this aside. Now, we have a cup of warm water, and we are going to add our paint. You need about a teaspoon. I don't have a teaspoon, so we are just gonna estimate. Okay. Teaspoon of paint in, and now we are gonna stir it until the paint is dissolved. Okay, that looks pretty dissolved to me. So now we have our 2 jars. Our water, warm water with paint, and our paint dissolved in the water, and then our baby oil. Now we are going to add them together. We're gonna pour our water mixture into our oil. Just leave it so it's a little bit at the top. Perfect, just like that. So I just have a little bit of space here at the top. Now, what we're gonna do is we are going to add our glitter. But before you add your glitter, you have to make sure your water and paint mixture all the way at the bottom. I am going to add some silver glitter. I'm just gonna open it up. And I am going to shake it in. Ah. So much glitter. Perfect. Now for the fun. Are you guys ready? Because we are gonna make our snowstorm now. You are going to take 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet. Let me just open mine up. And we're gonna crush it into different pieces. So tiny little pieces. Okay. Now, I have a question. What do you guys think will happen when we add the Alka-Seltzer into our snowstorm in a jar? Yes! I'm thinking what you're thinking. Everything is gonna go all together and crazy, but let's try it out. So we're gonna drop our pieces into the jar. Whoa, do you guys see that? Whoa. everything is going crazy. And there you have your snowstorm in a jar. Hope you have tons of fun. You can always add more pieces to keep the snowstorm going. Bye, everyone.